We're back in Australia. Yeah, we're back, but I still can't believe that Leah didn't want to come to back. Yeah, but at least she's going to Harvard. I know, but like I'm missing her. Well, all we can do right now is just go back. You know, we can't do anything about it. It's her choice. Yeah. But at least this term we're gonna be able to be in the same dorm room. At least, okay, that one I can manage with because like the last person I was in a dorm room with, that guy sucked. Actually, it's not the guy, it's a girl. Yeah, I know, but literally she didn't take showers or anything. She smelled. I know.